What's up, guys, and welcome one more time here to BitBrothers Crypto, a place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day. I'm Casquinha Crypto, and today we're gonna have a nice show here. Papa is not coming today; he's busy today, but I will be taking over the show. My internet, as always, it's very slow. I already spoke to the provider. I need to change my internet provider actually. But I do have a nice show to you guys today. It's everything on Ethereum. Ethereum merge. You guys know it's happening. Pump in the market. There's a pump in the market. As you can see here, I already left it there. You can see here. Let's go and check the market today. It's a 1.08 trillion. That's 1.92% increase over the last day. So that's quite good. We have a little breeze in here, even though we are in a recession. As you guys know, we are in a recession. Paul Saxtronaut, what's up, brother? All is good, man. All is good. All is good. Let me go here. I do have something very interesting to you guys as well, like this one here that I'm going to talk about after. But before that, let's check here the gainers. Look, Rave coins out of the blue, 32% in the last 24 hours. Wow. Look how much spikes we had here in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin Gold, 22%, even Ethereum Classic. But yes, because of the merge, we are seeing a lot of Ethereum coins on the ecosystem. And I did separate some coins on the Ethereum ecosystem to show you guys as well. So 17% on the last 24 hours, Ethereum Classic, 14% the Graph, Claything also doing 14%, Quantum 12%, PancakeSwap, Curve doing 9% up, Chainlink coming out of the look, Chainlink here out of the have done a big spike here. So we did have a very big spike. Maker also done a very good spike here, 5% up. We have Bitcoin SV, BSV here, and Gala. Interesting, and Polygon. So interesting on the news aspect. As we saying here on the title, Ethereum merge. How will the POS or the proof of stake transition impact the Ethereum ecosystem? Ethereum is all set to transition. I think the transition, or at least the block, is around about 40. Let me check here. Merge. It's about 45 days, if I'm not wrong. Is this one here? Let's check if you're gonna open, because my internet's so terrible. So if you open, we're gonna be able to see here. When merge, difficult bomb countdown estimated 1209. So it's about 45 days. The counting down will fluctuate slightly in response to change in block time, but it's about 45 days. Okay, so that's quite cool. Let's go down here. The Ethereum blockchain is on the verge of one of the most crucial technical updates since its inception, moving from the proof of work to proof of stake, also called Ethereum 2.0 or ETH2. Ethereum devs gave September 19 as the perpetual date. September 19 as the perpetual date to the merge of the current proof of work chain to the proof of stake chain. The merge is expected to deploy on the Goerli testnet on the second week of August. Can I even read there? My glasses a bit. Put glass here. After the successful integration to the testnet, the blockchain will initiate the Bellatrix update in early August and roll out the merge 2 weeks later. The discussion around the transitions began with a focus on scalability. So Ethereum developers propose a three-phase transformation process. The transition itself, it's nearly 2 years in the making, starting on December 1st, 2020, with the launch of the Beacon chain, initiating phase 0 of the three-phase process. The Beacon chain begins the shift to proof of stake, enabling users to stake the ETH and become validators. However, phase 0 did not affect the main Ethereum blockchain. The Beacon chain exists alongside, I'm not even, it looked like bacon, but I don't know if I'm pronouncing correct, but the Beacon chain and the mainnet will eventually be linked with the merge. Phase 1 was meant to launch in mid-2021, but was delayed to early 2022, with developers citing unfinished work and coding auditing as major reason. From phase 1 onwards, and ETH2 will house Ethereum's entire history of transactions and support smart contracts on the proof-of-stake network. Stakers and validators will officially step into action as ETH2 will take mining out of the network. And then phase 2, the final phase of the transaction, will see the introduction of Ethereum WebAssembly, or EWASM, over the current Ethereum Virtual Machine, or AVM. WebAssembly was created by the World Wide Web Consortium and is designed to make Ethereum significantly more efficient than its current stance. Ethereum WebAssembly is proposed deterministic subset of WebAssembly for the Ethereum smart contract execution layers. The EWASM was specifically designed to replace the AVM, which would see implementation in the phase 2. So this will be happening, as I just been telling you guys here, in about 45 days, okay? That's why we are actually seeing a huge spike to the ETH token. So if we can see here, in fact, what I'm going to do here to you guys, I'm going to share with you here, because now, guys, tokens, that's going to be pumping, okay? Again, no financial advice. This is, I'm not telling you to go out there and put all your money in Ethereum or in those tokens. But this, what I have here, is the Ethereum narrative tokens, okay? So those tokens here, they are part of the ecosystem of Ethereum, okay? And they complement each other. So Ethereum, it's at $1,720. A week or 2 weeks ago, you could have bought Ethereum for $800, let's say. And imagine you would be up around $800 to $900 by today after 1-2 weeks. That's the potential and the amazing things that crypto actually is, okay? So from the percentage from the lows, from the all-time lows of the Ethereum, we are 96% up. Okay, and percentage down from the top, from all the way the all-time high, we are down 65% down. Okay, if you want to get this, how do you call it? This graphic here that I have done here to you guys can go to my follow us on Twitter, Papa BitBrother, Casquinha BitBrother, Casquinha Crypto. On my Twitter, on the link of my bio, you will open there and you can go into my Telegram. Join the Telegram, because all the graphics that I do to my videos and stuff like this, I posted on my Telegram, okay? The Telegram just started. It's very small. There is about 10 to 11 people there. But I'm growing my community. So everything that I upload, or videos and graphics, whatever that help the community, I will be posting there. All right. And of course, the community can talk about crypto in general. So The ETH Classic, we've seen ETH Classic going up 240%, okay, even though it's down 75% from the all-time high. Also, Uniswap, remember, Uniswap is the DEX from the ETH blockchain. So all of this is happening because of the merge, okay? We're seeing Lido Finance going up 438%, AIV going up 114% from its times low, from the bottom. Matic going up 200%. Optimism at 310%, Curve 174%, in Maker 67%, and Compound 116%. If we go back to those tokens and you see, and if you zoom out and you see the graphic, the chart, there's different ways that you can see. You can see as an opportunity to grow, or you can or to get in and an entry point, which I do. And then, guys, one thing that we need to separate here, because if the Bitcoins goes down to 10, 11, 12, we might see those tokens also dropping. Okay, remember that this rally on the Ethereum blockchain and all the correlated narrative tokens and the narrative tokens to Ethereum are pumping and are going up because of the news of the merge. But remember, maybe buy the there's a saying that you buy the news and you sell the news, or you buy the news and sell the merge. Let's say you know, now is the time to go in, and when the merge come, you know, or even before launch, or if the day before, or a couple of days, a week before, people will start to be selling those tokens, because they will start to be pumping now. You know, we see tokens here be pumping 200%, even 400%. By the time that the Ethereum merge, they will be dropping. Those tokens are gonna be, they will be selling the news, right? Selling the narrative. There is a lot of buzz going on now. People are buying the buzz, the news, the idea, but when it comes out, people will be selling. So you need to be careful. And having that in mind, don't forget that, or remember that you are still in a bear market. Remember that we are, yesterday, Thursday, we are like, sure, now we know for sure, for fact, that we are in a recession. So it's great that if it is pumping, those tokens are pumping. It's very nice, but you need to be careful. Don't go crazy. And if you actually been follow us here on the channel, we've been telling you guys, DCA in, DCA out, DCA in, DCA out. DCA in is a good strategy. And as soon as you will know that the merge is coming, so you keep following that the what's going on around the community, and when you see before it merge, tokens will drop. So we might even see Ethereum going up to 2K, 3K, maybe, we don't know. I mean, it was $800 2 weeks ago, and it's double, is 100% up, almost 100% up. So it can go to 2,000 or 3,000. And maybe, of course it can, especially with the narrative, with the merge, with things happening now. So we can see maybe even Ethereum going up to 3,000. But it will drop again. And then we have to have in mind that we are in a bear market. And there is, I forgot the name of the company now, that will be dropping about 100,000 Bitcoins into the market, when I forgot the name now. But we will, guys, we are in recession. We need to be aware of that always, okay? Not financial advice. If you want to do anything now trading wise, is DCA in and DCA out, okay? Those are tokens that I like. For example, I like Matic a lot. This token I didn't know, but I never invested in ETH Classic, but ETH Classic went through 160, 180, I don't know. ETH, of course, Curve, Maker, Compound. So some of those tokens are maybe opportunities to go in, but either for the long term, you get in now for the long term, for the next bull run, or for the narrative of, for the thing that's going to happen of the merge. And before the merge happens, you start to DCA out so you don't lose money, okay? And you're going to make some couple of bucks just within this buzz and this hype, not the buzz, the hype, okay? So merge will happen. There is a hype, there is an opportunity, but of course you need to be careful, be aware of this. And again, if you want this graphic, go to my Twitter, click on the link, join my Telegram group. The Telegram is very small, but we put a lot of stuff there. It's nice. You guys can also send messages, very cool, but it's a very small group. Don't go in and go out. Go in and stay there so we can grow the community, okay? That's what I brought for you guys today. Today, the show is going to be about Ethereum. I hope you guys enjoy it. Remember, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you guys on the next show.